Have you ever stopped to appreciate the unseen structures that hold our buildings together? Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of Glulam beams, the silent superstars of construction. Glulam beams more than meets the eye. Imagine a beam that's strong like steel, beautiful like wood, and surprisingly eco-friendly. That's the magic of Glulam beams. Why choose Glulam? Unveiling the beam's advantages. Glulam beams offer a compelling set of advantages that make them a popular choice for a variety of applications. Unveiling the beam's advantages. Glulam beams offer a compelling set of advantages that make them a popular choice for a variety of applications. Here are some of the reasons why these beams might be the perfect fit for your next project. Strength and stability. Glulam beams are incredibly strong, capable of supporting significant loads. The laminated construction makes them less prone to warping, shrinking, or twisting compared to solid wood beams. This translates to a longer lifespan and a more reliable structural element. Design flexibility. Unlike traditional beams with limited sizes, Glulam beams can be manufactured in various lengths, depths, and shapes. This allows architects to achieve impressive designs, incorporating curved beams, arches, and even custom profiles. The beauty of wood Glulam beams retain the natural warmth and beauty of wood. They can be left exposed to add a touch of rustic charm to any space, or stained or painted to complement the overall design aesthetic. Sustainable choice. Glulam beams are often made from sustainably sourced wood, making them an eco-friendly alternative to steel or concrete beams. The use of smaller wood pieces also promotes responsible forest management practices. Fire resistance. Glulam beams offer a surprising degree of fire resistance. The charring on the wood surface creates a protective layer, slowing down the spread of fire and providing valuable time for evacuation. So, what are the typical sizes of Glulam beams? Glulam beams come in a wide range of sizes to accommodate various structural needs. Here's a general idea. Length. Glulam beams can be manufactured in lengths exceeding 60 feet or 18 meters, making them ideal for spanning large open spaces. Depth beam depths typically range from a few inches to over a foot, or 30 centimeters, depending on the required load-bearing capacity. Width. The width of a Glulam beam is usually determined by the number of wood laminations used in its construction. Glulam beam applications. The versatility of Glulam beams extends to a wide range of applications. Here are some of the common places you might find these superstar beams. Roofs and floors. Glulam beams are perfect for supporting roofs and floors in residential and commercial buildings. Their strength allows for large open spaces without the need for additional support columns, arches and curves. The ability to create curved beams makes Glulam ideal for building arches, vaulted ceilings, and other visually striking architectural elements. Bridges. Glulam beams can even be used in bridge construction, particularly for pedestrian bridges or smaller structures. Renovations and restorations. Glulam beams can be a great choice for historical restorations or renovations where maintaining the aesthetic appeal of wood is important. Glulam versus solid wood beams. Choosing the right beam for the job. While Glulam beams offer significant advantages, solid wood beams might be a suitable option for some projects. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Strength. Glulam beams are generally stronger than solid wood beams of the same size. Stability. Glulam beams are less prone to warping and shrinking compared to solid wood beams. Size limitations. Solid wood beams have size limitations, while Glulam beams can be manufactured in larger dimensions. Cost. Glulam beams are typically more expensive than solid wood beams. So the next time you look up at a beautifully designed ceiling or admire a spacious open floor plan, remember the unseen heroes holding it all together, the Glulam beams. These innovative and versatile beams are a testament to modern engineering, offering a unique blend of strength, beauty, and sustainability.